Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Thermomix TM7 not connecting to Wi-Fi. First of all, go to the 9 dots in the sidebar right here. Then go to settings and go to the Wi-Fi option right here. Then you may want to disable and re-enable Wi-Fi after like half a minute. I didn't wait half a minute, but you should. And then see if it connects. If it doesn't, then try clicking on a network or on the I button to, if it shows you a network that you have been connected to previously, you can click on the I button. If it doesn't connect to it, try forgetting the network, then removing the network, and then selecting that network again and re-entering its password. If your network has a hidden SSID, which means you need to also the name of the network isn't broadcasted to your devices, then you'll need to select connect to a hidden network, select the network name, and then select the security standard to either WPA, WPA2 or WPA3, and then enter the password if you have selected a security standard. Then you will be able to connect. I'll cancel that, and that should help. If it didn't, try restarting your device by pressing and holding on the power button and waiting about half a minute after the display goes off to turn it on again. If that didn't help, you may either want to contact the customer care of Thermomix or the customer service of your network provider so they can assist you with fixing some settings of your router. Also, make sure that the router is close enough to your device. Try moving it closer and see if the problem still occurs. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.